Do you use ChatGPT? Have you used the custom instructions feature? You can provide ChatGPT with context about your interest and preferences for how you'd like responses tailored. Greetings, everyone. My name is Donna Gilliland, and I'm the founder of Moss Training. So let's get started on how you're going to use this feature. It's very easy, and it's going to be extremely helpful for you. And when you are typing in your prompts in terms of what you get in return from ChatGPT. So let's get started. I've opened up ChatGPT for us, and here's where you're going to find the custom instructions. When you look at the left navigation, look for your name at the bottom, and when you click, and a pop-up will appear with choices, and the one that you want is custom instructions. When you change to custom instructions, a screen appears on the right, and it's in two parts, the custom instructions. There's the what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? I've keyed in an example here. The second part is how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So going back to the initial point is that you can provide ChatGPT with context about your interest and preferences for how you'd like responses tailored. For instance, in the section, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you? You might mention, I'm a photographer with an interest in capturing photos of landscapes and historical buildings. This informs ChatGPT about your specific interest, helping it to tailor responses relevant to your queries, or prompts as they are called. In the second section, the how would you like ChatGPT to respond? You specify your preferred details. For example, I've written in here, in this sample, I prefer detailed responses with historical context and photography tips. This will guide ChatGPT on the style and content of the responses you find most useful. When your future prompts are related to your interest, ChatGPT will use this context to provide more relevant and personalized answers. And this is so helpful in what we get in the return from our prompts. It is important to remember that this information is primarily used when it directly relates to your queries. ChatGPT doesn't apply your personal information to all responses. Moreover, you have the flexibility to guide or redirect ChatGPT's responses at any time. For example, I may be prompting ChatGPT for information about something that's now totally unrelated to photography. But I don't want to have to go back in these custom instructions and change them just for those few times that I'm going to change the scope of what I want ChatGPT to do based upon these instructions. So if you want a response outside the scope of your provided instructions, you can simply indicate that in your prompt. So make sure you are specific in your instructions because it helps ensure that the responses you receive are closely aligned with your preferences. I hope you found this helpful. Go try it out. In my upcoming webinar on ChatGPT, some of the new features that are in ChatGPT right now as of this video, I will cover more about the custom instructions and what you can do with it. For now, I hope this tip is helpful. One more thing, notice that when you enter into a box, of that top box, the right-hand side of the screen changes to give you some thought starters if you are having a mental roadblock about what to put. When you click in the second and last section, another pop-up for thought starters. And when you've completed the custom instructions, then you will want to save in the bottom right. This has been saved before, therefore my button that says save is not here and not available at the moment because I haven't made any alterations to this. So that's it for now, and stay tuned for more video tutorials on a wide range of topics, including Microsoft Office 365, AI marketing features. But for now, it's bye, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.